In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export videos in Premiere Pro. The first thing you want to do is to set your in points and your out points. So move your playhead to the position where you want your export to begin and hit I. And move your playhead to where you want your export to end and hit O. And this will export only this portion over here. The next thing you need to do is to go over to File over here and scroll down and select Export and select Media. And this will automatically create this export window over here. Alternatively, you can hit Ctrl M on your keyboard to open up this export window over here. The first thing you want to do is to come over to this file name over here and give it a name. So I'm going to select all this and just give it a name, maybe RGB. Now you can also select this location over here by selecting the text over here. And you can now choose the location where you want this file to be saved. I'm going to hit downloads, and you can also as well still change the name over here and hit save. The next thing you want to do is to select a preset. So I'm going to select preset over here. And what you want to do is to scroll down and select Match Source Adaptive High Bitrate. And this will export your video on the highest quality possible. Now set your format to H.264, which is MP4, which is the most commonly used video settings. The next thing you want to do is to come over to your video tab over here. If you do not see this tab open, it's because your video tab is closed like this. So you need to select this arrow to open your video tab and scroll down and select Render at Maximum Depth, and scroll down once more and select Use Maximum Render Quality. And this is going to make sure that your video is exported at the best quality possible. The next thing you need to do to save your preset for other exports is to come over to Presets over here and select these three dots over here and select Save Preset. Now you want to give this a name. I would like to call this MP4 Export and hit OK. So whenever I want to export a video with the highest quality MP4, all I need to do is to come over to preset over here and search for MP4 export. And I know that I don't need to come down and adjust the settings over here anymore. And the next thing you need to do is to just hit export over here. But another way to export faster in Premiere Pro, after you are done with your editing over here, is to come over to the export settings over here, which is this quick export, and select it. And all you need to do is to select this to give it a location and a name. So you can probably give it downloads and select the name over here. And maybe you want to call this RGB and hit save. And you already have the presets over here, which comprises of all the settings that we did at the export window over here. But you can always change it if you want to change it to adaptive high bitrate. I'm going to leave it at my MP4 export over here and hit export. And that's it, guys, on how to export videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in my next tutorial tomorrow.